What's up guys, this is Deepak with 91 Mobiles and I'm checking out the new Huawei Mate 10 Pro. This is a very stylish looking and loaded smartphone. So dual Leica certified cameras at the back and very loaded specs. This phone is also IP67 water resistant. Looks really stylish, is very sleek, glass body, curvy back, fingerprint sensor below the vertically stacked camera sensors at the back. So the Leica certified dual cameras at the back are both 20 megapixel sensors in the RGB monochrome configuration, and they enable quite a few features such as depth mode and zoom. Up front is a 12 megapixel camera. Now this phone is powered by the Huawei Kirin 970 processor, which is supposed to be the first AI processor. 6-inch OLED display with 2K resolution, 6 GB of RAM, up to 128 GB storage, 4000 mAh battery, typical port placement. There's no 3.5mm headset socket on this one. There's a SIM tray on the left, power and volume rocker on the right, charging port and speaker at the bottom. So this is EMUI 8 as far as the interface is concerned, and that's based on Android 8 Oreo. Very snappy and stylish. A quick look at the camera interface, a bunch of modes including monochrome, HDR, light painting, time-lapse, slow-mo as well. This is the wide aperture mode here, portrait mode, and also a moving picture like live photos on iOS. The Pro mode that lets you tweak various parameters. The 2x zoom. So a solid set of specs, very promising cameras, great design. The Huawei Mate 10 Pro. Thanks for watching.